Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals, and I am back with an update on my sticker storage. Welcome to day 8 of VADA. Today I am showing you my non-kit sticker storage, and as you can see it's expanded a little bit since my last video on this. I now have 7 planner face albums, so I had these 4 before, and then, no, these 4? I had 4 before, now I have 7. So this one was a gift from Anna at the Big Meet. This one was from the Strawberry Lemon Designs and Planner Face collab advent calendar, and the other 5 are general shop stock. I'm not sure whether any of these designs are still in stock or whether they're coming back, but check out the link down below for discount code for Planner Face. So we will get started with this centre album. Just move the others off to the sides. So this album is the trickiest, and it is my functional stickers and deco. So I've got some full box overlays that are non-foiled at the front, then a load of full boxes. There's lots more than one sheet in many of these pages. Some full heart checklists, which to be honest I don't really use, so I might just get rid of, but I use occasionally. Different happy planner ones, and I've got half boxes which are all sorted by colour. These aren't shop specific, they're just all mixed in. Some like funky sized boxes, sorry if the light's a bit glary, if I tilt it it's a bit better. Some 3 heart checklist boxes in different formats, quarter boxes, again sorted by different colours, and then different appointment labels in smaller boxes, again sorted by colour. And as I say, some of these sheets, when you pull them out, they are like more than one piece of paper. So if you're wondering where I got the sticker paper from to stick all of these and organise them all onto, it's basically, I took, whenever I finished a sheet of stickers, kits mostly, I saved them and then I chopped them down to the right size for the sticker album. Then we've got flags, they're mostly planner face ones, different flags, other funny shaped things, flags, little things, checklists. My foiled non-gold, silver, rose gold foiled things are in this album too. 3 heart checklists, bills dues, which I just really don't use anymore very often. Habit trackers, some weekly check boxes, some dots, weekend banners, bow headers, lots of different colourways, some normal headers, and some like script headers, my custom headers, day of the week things, date covers, date dots, cancelled, rescheduled, monthly boxes for the Erin Condren. These are washi strips. These are Planner Face current freebies, including the current PR freebies, and sort of different shop like labels and things. And then we have my glitter headers at the back, and these are just sorted into colours. Each glitter header like sheet is cut up into just that colour, and then they are just washi taped together at the back. Just pull one out to show you what I mean. That one doesn't want to come out. Like that, and then they say on the back where they're from, so WTF is What the Fox, SPC is obviously Squirrel Prints Co. I don't know what PVC is, but yeah. And that's those. I'll put them back in later. So just more glitter headers. We've got some blank things because obviously the reason this is so chunky is because lots of these do have multiple sheets in each one. So there's just some blank things there. Then we have some stickers I've made myself, which did not go very well. So they've got some washi across there. I was foiling part of the sheet and I was covering this up, but the washi I used stuck to the paper. Then we've got some circles that I try and use in my bullet journal, I'm not very good at. And then some Hobonichi size boxes that I try to use, going to use in my monthly B6, and then some B6 monthly boxes I made myself. So that is my sort of functional sticker album. We'll next move on to sort of character and things. Characters and icons are now all in these 3 albums and all mixed together, sorted by sort of what type of sticker they are, rather than as in being TV watching or self-care. You'll see what I mean as I flip through, but rather than keeping icons and character stickers separate, I decided to do this so that I used some more of my icon stickers because I just felt I wasn't going for them because I wasn't really thinking about them. So we've got some holidays at the front, which I'm using in my D6, some monthly days of the months of the year, that's the word, and we've got sort of birthday and celebration things. Again, my non-gold, silver, rose gold foil is just in here, so presents and things like that. When they've come off samplers, I again just pop a piece of sticker paper in and stick them to it, and have like these mixed sheets. We've got lazy day, sleeping, self-care type ones. Lots of sleeping stickers apparently. Napped instead, PJs, like general self-care, and then we've got some sick, so various things. Got lots of different shops here, basically every shop I've ever bought from really. Then we move on to sort of TV and Netflix type things. Again, I'm just tilting it very slightly up so you don't get the glare from the lights. Netflix, some more TVs. We've got some blank space there for if I buy more stickers. So we move on then to food. So different food icons here. So as you can see, so these are like script and icons, and then these are going straight into character stickers, so they're just all mashed in together. So there we've got like characters and icons on the same page. So these are all my food ones. Again, lots of food ones. I like food and sleep, what can I say? Baking and cooking, drinks. Yeah, there we go, so they're pink foiled, so they just go in with these as well. Then we move on to sort of life chores and admin, so groceries, things like that. Payday bill dues, sort of adulting stuff, let's call it. Money. Got some payday stuff, no spends and bills. Laundry, cleaning, alarm clocks, things like that. And that is that sticker album. So then from there we move into, I think it's this one. I was wrong. So then we move on to sort of Happy Mail and Post and things. I missed a page there. And then like sticker related but not directly things. Computers and working is next. I'm not showing you every single sticker because that would take forever, because like some of these, this was not a good example because neither of those are. So these box and cactus ones, I've got loads of different sheets of laptop girls in different hair colours and things. So they're just all in there. So that's just in one pocket, that little chunk. They're not all that chunky, but some of them are. Some more laptop, like my edit stickers from Colourful & Co, Once More with Love. Yeah, as I say, hundreds of shops, just everything mixed in, not sorted by shop. And then we have like writing and reading, sort of studying type things. Again, mixture sheets just to go in together. My planner stickers, which again, there's quite a lot of these. At one point I was like, I don't have that many planner stickers, then I bought a load and now I have loads. So like here, the Toffee Bananas, these are all different sheets, but they're all Toffee Banana flat lays of planning. So they're all just in one little pocket, which is why my folders get so fat despite not having every sleeve filled. So we then have washi, sort of planner meetup things, planner related crafting, bows, some to do like planner related things. This is just a mixed sheet of things that didn't go into any of my other categories. Some blank to give me space to expand. Then we've got some like date night and relationship type ones, and so we have cuddling, things like that, like couple activities, meals out. Then we have just general like activities, drinking, going to the movie, time with friends, grandparents and family ones, playing on game consoles. Again, there's different games consoles under there. I'm sorry if you can hear my cat meowing, he is meowing at me. Choir and music munchkins, some wedding camping, like random bits and phone calls. So that's that one. That's the one we've already done, Tilly. And then finally we have this third one. This is the inked album, and it's one of my favourite. So we have pets first, so lots of cat ones, because I love cats. I do have 6 different types of cat stickers, that definitely seems necessary. Dentist, like appointments, so I've got prescription bottles, stethoscopes, and then different doctor, and we've got my work scripts, and these have like several sheets in, so they're quite chunky. Different types of shifts, days off, don't forget hair washing, we move into like spa-y type things, and then like general that sort of stuff. You can tell I'm not a big like girly girl who gets her nails and hair done very much, given how many stickers I have for that. Then we go into exercise. My rain stickers fall under exercise because I feel like that's like going for a walk in the rain, they work best. So we then have exercise stickers, just a bit of a mixture of any type of exercise. Move on to travel, cars, and then holiday type things. Yeah, more holiday, beach. We have the spring bucket lists and winter bucket lists. Then we move on to emotions. So I have like salty emotions first, so like sarky ones, or just like side eyes or rolling eyes, grumpy type things. Then I have stressed and annoyed and upset. So these are like the stressed, and then we're on to upset. Then we have a couple of sheets of mixed emotions, and we move on to the happy ones, or like rewards for yourself. Oh, and we've got a gap, and then we have sort of special things. So we have Harry Potter first, which has its own little section. Then we have Disney, then Christmas, and like all my Christmas stickers are just sort of in one because I don't need to expand them that much. So that is my 3 albums of characters and icons. And then these 3 are my foil stickers. So we have gold, silver and rose gold in these 3. They're all laid out in pretty much the same way, but I will flick through them. So this is just in the front because it doesn't really have a place. So we start off with like date dots and script stickers, and just work our way through those. So lots of this is from Handcrafted by Cherie, lots of this I've made myself, and from Harry Wright Designs and Diamond Print Designs. I don't know whether, because I'm pre-filming this, I don't know whether I've announced this on my channel yet, but I have been slowly convinced to open an Etsy shop. I don't know when it's coming, probably later this month or early May, is what I'm thinking at the moment, but it is currently the middle of March, so it depends how I get on and things. But yeah, there will be opportunity to get lots of script stickers from me and lots of overlays, which I'm about to show you, which is what's reminding me. The reason this all started is because I made a set of these planet stickers for an event I went to, and everyone was like, you should open a shop, and I was like, but I don't have the time. And then slowly they've convinced me just to take my time with it, and we'll see what happens. So yeah, lots of stickers I made myself. I've changed my icon since this. Then we go on to sort of functionals. So these are headers, not overlay headers, just normal headers. Flags, they're all flags. Half boxes and things, and date covers. Then we move on to overlays, which is sort of, this is a beautiful clear matte paper, the one I use. So yeah, and my frames, my confetti headers, my hearts, my different type of hearts, stars. These aren't being released, I don't like those. They are like a fancy bow. And this is my like simple bow confetti. My favourite ones by far at the moment, which you'll have seen a design with me for making these 2 stickers. This cross means they are an oops, therefore not suitable. There you go, that's my new logo. It's in my own handwriting rather than a font, basically. Then last but not least we have icons, so I'm just going to flick through these as well. Mostly just a real mix of shops for these, and I have different icons and different foil colours. Most of my script and stuff I have the same ones, but lots of my icons I have different sheets from different shops in different foil colours. So that's that. So that's gold. I'm going to quickly flick through the silver and rose gold in the same way. They are exactly the same layout, so again we start back with the script and things. I am going to flick through these a bit quicker than I did the gold, just so this video doesn't become super long. But yeah. So yeah, just script stickers to start off with. This was when I was testing different papers. I did not go with that one. It does not foil very well. Then again we move on to functionals, so these are like normal headers or things you can write on. Date covers, checklists, and we move on to overlays. So yeah, lots of foil, all the foil. Sorry if you just heard that. My mum's in the room, the computer made noise, and then my phone vibrated like one after the another. Again, some of these there are multiple stickers in the pockets, so like these had the handcrafted Cherie by Cherie arrows in after the My Newest Addiction ones, behind the My Newest Addiction ones. Most of them don't, most of them are just one, but like this one again, I think I have non-glitter silver foiled. I treat hollow and silver foil as the same, so they are mixed in here. But yeah, so that's silver, and the final one is rose gold. I feel like I've been talking forever. But while I flick through this one, I'm not going to talk about the stickers. I've just stuck a sticker to my hand apparently. I'm just going to, so that I don't have to do a long outro, say thank you so much for watching. I hope this has helped. I will be showing you how I store my kits in 2 weeks' time, as one of my video every day in April. And yeah, check back in for tomorrow for another video, and yeah, every Friday I believe it is, I will be releasing a sort of storage or my collection video. So we've got kits coming up, we've got washi, and we've got like my favourite pens / pen collection. I'm not going through my whole pen collection, but just going to show you some of my favourite ones. That's the plan, each Friday. So yeah, that's really all I have to say. Let me know what you use for sticker storage down in the comments below. And as I say, all these albums are from Plannerface. I know other shops do make them, but hers are fantastic quality and I really like them. These stickers, by the way, are still on here from my old sticker storage, but I just quite like them. They don't actually divide this booklet, but into the sections it's in, but maybe I'll add those at some point, but for now, those three are just staying. Yeah, so comment down below what you use for your sticker storage, and thank you for watching, and I am looking forward to seeing you in my next video, which is coming tomorrow. Bye!